Ensure your key fob has a good battery. Make sure your Stelvio is locked. Press the lock button twice rapidly. On the third press, hold the lock button down for 3 to 5 seconds. You should see the lights flash or hear a honk, confirming the engine has started. The engine will run for about 10 to 15 minutes, then shut off automatically. To manually stop it, just press the lock button again or unlock the vehicle. This feature works from up to 100 to 300 meters away, depending on your surroundings. Remember, remote start only works if the vehicle is in park, doors are locked, and no keys are inside. Having trouble with remote start? First, replace the key fob battery with a CR2032 type. Weak batteries are a common cause of failure. Electromagnetic interference or obstructions can block the signal, so try again in an open space. Software updates via Alfa Connect can improve reliability. Check for updates regularly. If the system detects a problem like an open hood or low fuel, it will disable remote start for safety. For smartphone control, use the Alfa Connect app for features like scheduled starts. Note that some owners have reported battery drain issues that can be resolved with software updates. If problems persist, consult your Alfa Romeo dealer for diagnostics.